Hey guys, my name is Eric, and I am from the team Renewable Rangers, proud to present WasteWise, an AI-powered app that helps users properly recycle. Unfortunately, my teammates Yi-Fei and Alan aren't here today, so it's just gonna be me. So overall, our track, we aim for climate and sustainability, and we have a powered app that aims to educate users on proper recycling. So this is our team, our pictures. And you see, here's the problem that we try to aim for. Have you ever paused at one of those two-sided trash bins with your iced coffee cup, wondering if it should go in the blue recycling or the black landfill? Oh, wait, or maybe I should dump the rest of the copy. Wait, but which bin do I dump it into? Well, you see, you're not alone if you ever have these thoughts on where and how to recycle, because many of them do. According to the survey of 1,005 Americans, it reveals that roughly 51% of respondents did not know even the basics to recycling. Plus, the Environmental Protection Agency estimates that over 40% of waste that could be recycled but isn't ends up in landfills. So you could see those are some really big statistics. And that just gives us a very wide range of audience that doesn't know how to recycle, which could be 51% of Americans, which is a big, lots of target audience. So we're inspired by the need, the want to help more people understand and take action on proper recycling. We hope that this will increase recycling rates, or not just in America, but through the whole entire country. We had an idea for an app that could ease recycling by identifying if it's recyclable, non-recyclable for them. So here's our solution, WasteWise. So WasteWise uses AI and machine learning to identify what waste someone is wanting to expose and teaches them how to do it. And we will account for ethical considerations, limitations, and biases during development to make sure it works. So here's our features. We have an AI classifier to classify what type of waste it is. We have a GPS activity starter powered app that could very conveniently and efficiently tell you where is the nearest donation and recycling centers. And it even works for electronics, clothing, and other e-waste. And it also has info and FAQs. Stop Googling, can I recycle a greasy pizza box? It demonstrates how to use the classifier for the best results. And finally, we realize that sometimes users will just lose motivation to recycle and keep on using the tag, since it can be a big hassle to use it over and over again, almost like 365 times a year. So instead, to make users want to keep on using it, to make our app actually effective, we decided to motivate the users by telling them, hey, you have saved X amount of pounds that could have ended up to landfills, and you have saved X amount of money from having to reproduce the things that you could have recycled. Well, this makes a huge impact to the user and makes it feel good. Other than that, we realize that typing can be a hassle as well. So in the demonstration, you will see that our app minimizes typing to make it extra convenient. So could you give me a moment to pull up the demos?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So here is a demo of our AI teachable machine model, and you can see soon that it is very accurate. So here, this is my teammate Ife, and see, it identifies a water bottle as plastics. And this glass bottle is identified as glass. You could see the AI model can identify the texture of it really well. Paper, and it also includes food items, since we could see from the previous presentations that it is also a huge problem as well. And finally, it can clearly identify metal. And you could see these 5 are one of the biggest types of waste that just end up into landfills when they could have been recycled. And here is a demonstration of the app. So here is the data. It has some scans by default because of testing. You could see our AI detector. And in the screen camera icon, you see over here, it is starting to activate the camera. And this is a test scan for paper. And over here, you could see that it has some text prompt listing how to recycle it. And here, if you see where to reuse it, you could see that instead of many text input, you could find the nearest donation center with one button press, which is very convenient. And here you can see there's so many donations and recycling centers. It also has a special prompt, which allows you to type what type of waste it is. And you could see now it is 9 since I scanned it. But as you could see, originally, it was only weight 8. This says that the database and tracking is very functional and very reliable. We thank you all for listening to this presentation. In the future, we would like to add, instead of text, which is hard to read and can be confusing, we would like to add in video tutorials on how to recycle each product, which will make it extra convenient and extra easy for the video to use. We hope that this app will give a positive impact to at least the 51% of Americans that don't even know the basics. Thank you for listening.